Hello friends, I am Ashok.sanodiya and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, this is our fourth video on succulents, and in our earlier video we have already explained about the soil preparation, planting, watering and the fertilization process. And in this video we are going to explain that how we should save our plants by easy pest control method. So if you are also growing succulents at your home garden, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information. So friends, as we all know that pest control is extremely important in the process of growing any plant. And if we talk about the succulents, then there are three types of precautions that we can take to reduce the chances of any pest attack. The first precaution is that we should always clean and cut dead leaves and branches from the plant on regular basis so that any unwanted pest or insect could not be hide inside them. The second precaution is that we should avoid to sprinkle too much water on leaves and branches because much moisture can cause of mold formation, and once it's developed, it cannot be controlled easily. And the third precaution is that we should always avoid overwatering on succulents as they always grow in dry and arid environment. And excess moisture in soil can start soften the roots, and root rot problem may start by fungus formation. So these three are the basic precautions that help us to prevent our succulents from pest attack. But there are many locations in the world, and due to variation in the environment also, some pest problem comes often even after these precautions are already taken care of. So for this reason we can take two more precautions that can minimize the chances of this problem completely. And now we are going to explain these two precautions one by one. So please do not skip this video till the end. And the first precaution is that we can add something at the time of soil preparation which can help us to prevent our plants from the soil related pest issues. And neem cake powder is the best and easy solution for it. Neem cake powder is made from neem kernels and having many antifungal properties that help a plant to prevent from many types of fungal disease and root rot problem. So we should always try to use neem cake powder at the time of soil preparation so that our plants will be always safe due to overwatering issue. And the second precaution we can take that we can use agriculture based neem oil for preventing our plants from other insects. Neem oil can control more than 200 types of insects and fungal disease. So if we use it on our succulents once per month, then our succulents do not affect by any pest attack and take a healthy growth without any interruption. And for preparing it, we should use its 2.5 ml amount with 1 liter of clean water, and always use a small measuring cup and measure the pure liquid before adding in water. And after this we should mix it properly with water, and the water color will be changed like this. And now it is ready to use, and after filling in spray bottle we can spray it over the plants completely as we are doing here. And if we follow all these precautions properly, then our succulents never affected by any types of pest attack and grow well in all types of location and environment. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query and suggestion, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.